I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Bienvenidos.
Right now, we have arrived in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.
That's right.
We're celebrating a birthday month for our mother, as well as working on different business endeavors. So make sure to stay tuned.
We're mixing pleasure and business together, and we're doing it at the exact same time. We're working on our movie too, as you guys know.
The Personals XYZ, and Dr. Ross is working on her brand new film called The Viper. So make sure to stay tuned for that, because we're going to keep you guys posted. So make sure to follow, like, share this video to all your friends and family, and we'll see you guys on the next episode, because we're going to keep it short and sweet this time. Kanye West, stay out of trouble.
Buenos dias.
Dr. Ross and I are at Si Senor, a Mexican restaurant in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.
That's right.
Now we just enjoyed our muy riquísimo meal, and
It was muy delicioso.
it was very good. I mean, it was a 10 out of 10 for me.
That's right. Everything was juicy and fresh. They made everything fresh.
Especially the lobster quesadillas. They really are a go-to.
That's right. But right now we're in Mexico, you know, just doing some commercials, meeting up with our agent and our publicist for some little jobs or big jobs that we have in Mexico right now, and we're having a lot of fun.
Yes, we're also out for leisure and business.
That's
you gotta
right.
keep them both 2 and 2. But hey, we're gonna keep this episode short and sweet, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. But to Miss Pretty Lunel, that's for you. We'll see you the next time we're in LA. And keep on doing you.
That's right.
So guys, we're gonna be going on a breakfast excursion.
That's right.
We're gonna see all the breakfast places they have to offer in Mexico, Puerto Vallarta. But as you can see, you wake up to beautiful sunshine and flowers right in front of your door.
That's right. Yes. Right now we're heading to the lobby, and then we're going to go to our car and find something good to eat. Adios. To the Las Luntas vegetarian, and we're gonna have a really good dinner. So it's called Las Juntas y Las Bernardas. Very pretty view. The beach.
So everyone, we're having some Mexican street food tacos.
That's right.
Right in this. Actually, don't know where we're at, but we're next to our hotel.
They'll probably kidnap us tonight or sell us to somebody.
Who knows? You never know.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
But we got 2 Mexican Cokes, and we got 3 tacos. 2 are chorizo, this one right here, and the one that I
Looks
ordered.
delicious.
It really
really
does.
good.
Yes.
And then our mother tried the adaba.
Adaba.
Oh, adobada.
Which is basically just pork.
Pork? Oh gosh, okay. Well, guys, enjoy.
Hopefully it tastes delicious.
It looks delicious.